Now see here, this question is based on the Fresnel distance. Estimate the distance for which ray optics is good approximation for an aperture of 4 millimeter and wavelength 400 nanometer. So we can write here A is equal to 4 millimeter, that is 4 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter, and wavelength lambda is equal to 400 nanometer, that can be written 400 into 10 raised to power minus 9 meter, that is 4 into 10 raised to power minus 7 meter. Now we have to calculate ZF, that is A square upon lambda, it is here 4 into 10 raised to power minus 3 whole square upon 4 into 10 raised to power minus 7, that is meter. So 16 into 10 raised to power minus 6 divided by 4 into 10 raised to power minus 7 meter, that is 4 here. So coming here 4 into 10 raised to power 1 meter, that is 40 meter. So up to 40 meter distance ray optic is valid, beyond this it is not.